In this video, we will learn about confusing Korean verbs. Thada and theuda both means to burn, but thada means when it burns by itself and theuda means when someone makes it happen. For example, the food burns. 음식이 타요. I burned the food. 제가 음식을 데웠어요. Olda and ollida both means to freeze. Olda is used when it happens itself. Ollida is used when someone makes it happen. For example, the river froze. 강이 얼었어요. Mom froze vegetables. 엄마가 채소를 얼렸어요. Kejida and keda both means to break. Kejida is used when it happens itself and keda is used when someone makes it happen. For example, the glass broke. 유리가 깨졌어요. The child broke the glass. 아이가 유리를 깼어요. Tathida and thata both means to close. Tathida is used when it happens itself and thata is used when someone makes it happen. For example, the door closed. 문이 닫혔어요. I closed the door. 문을 닫았어요. Yolida and Yolda both means to open, but Yolida is used when it happens itself and Yolda is used when someone makes it happen. For example, the door opened. 문이 열렸어요. I opened the door. 문을 열었어요. 보이다 and 보다 both means to look, see or watch, but 보이다 is used when it happens itself and 보다 is used when someone makes it happen. For example, the mountain can be seen. 산이 보여요. I watched a movie. 저는 영화를 봤어요.